Good Tuesday, everyone. It's been a busy morning in the Meteorologist Mark weather department. Not so much concerning the near-term forecasts, but the extended outlooks. We'll talk about that in just a moment. For today, USA mortgage level of concern, level 0. No weather worries for our Tuesday. That changes tomorrow. Premier generators bringing us our severe weather threat level. Now monitoring Wednesday for a low-end threat for tornadoes and straight-line winds. We have what we call helicity, which is a spin about the air for tomorrow with our storm system. And this is mainly the afternoon and evening hours. So your morning is looking fine. It's the afternoon and evening that things may get a little trivial. Storm Prediction Center highlighting our area in the marginal risk for severe weather, which is the lowest of the 5 risk categories. But as I always say, low but not 0. So something I'll be keeping a very close eye on, and I'll do a special update tonight to give you the latest on this. Clearview Closet and Blind bringing us our 5-day forecast. Cloudy today, just a chance for an isolated sprinkle or shower. Highs in the low 60s. Wednesday, it starts getting windy, especially later in the day. And then showers and thunderstorms, likely 70% chance. Some of those storms could be strong or severe. Highs in the mid 60s. Thursday, it gets windier. Showers and thunderstorms likely. I don't think the severe threat will be as high as it is on Wednesday. Even though Wednesday starts low, I think Thursday starts going to be very low, if that makes sense. I'll keep an eye on it, though. Highs in the upper 60s, so it's definitely warm enough for storms. Friday, just a chance for mainly morning showers, mild. And then Saturday, it starts getting windy again with about a 50-50 shot for showers as it looks right now. Things change quick this time of the year, so stay tuned to updates to that forecast. We're in a very active period and a very active pattern. So the forecast out to 3 days, I'm very confident. When you start getting out 4 or 5 days, confidence starts going down a little bit because things are changing so quick. And then once you get out beyond that, things get really difficult to forecast. Upper Cumberland Federal Credit Union brings us our daily estimated precip forecast. I wish these totals were a little higher because we're in such drought, but we'll take what we get. But up to a ½ inch or so on Wednesday, same thing on Thursday, and then down to about 1/10 of an inch or so on Friday and Saturday. So not looking to add much rain to the rain bucket Friday and Saturday, but hopefully we can get, by the time Wednesday and Thursday are said and done, hopefully we'll all have at least an inch of rain across the plateau. We certainly hope so. Weichert Realtor is bringing us this very complicated 14-day general threat outlook. Buckle up, folks, and just keep checking back because these patterns change quick this time of the year, and we're in a very active one, so it's even more trickier. I am monitoring, of course, tomorrow's severe weather threat, and then we've got another. It looks to me like we're going to have a heavy rain threat on Sunday, but I'll keep an eye on that. Monday and Tuesday, I have a medium level of concern for whatever happens. But it looks like we could see some heavy rain on Tuesday. I have felt pretty confident about that for a while. And then the 12th to the 15th, I'm just monitoring it. I had some threats highlighted there for rain or snow. Just keep checking back, and we'll see. We'll see how this evolves. Hopefully some data comes in clearer with that time period as we go through the next 24 or 48 hours. On this day in weather history, brought to us by Bramble Brook Boutique. A continuation from yesterday's event. We had the wet snowstorm in yesterday's outlook. That happened on the 3rd in 1998, and the 4th, things just kept getting worse. Jamestown sets a 1-day snowfall record with 18 inches. That surpassed their blizzard of 93 record. They had a 20-inch storm total, 20.5 inches. Monterey sets a single-day snowfall record with 12. Ended up with 14 total. And Livingston has 9. So many of the records from the blizzard of 93 were busted on the February 4th, 1998 event. And this was a heavy wet snow in 98 and completely unforecast. This was a totally surprise snow. Whereas the blizzard 93, we had snow in the forecast. We were forecast to get 4 to 6 inches of snow. So everybody was prepared for ½ a foot of snow. We ended up with a lot more than that, but at least there was snow in the forecast. With this 1998 event, there was no snow in the forecast, and we ended up with anywhere from 4 to 20-something inches across the plateau. What an event that was. You folks have a wonderful Tuesday. Keep looking up. For more weather information, go to meteorologistsmart.com or download that app. Find it in your app store, that Meteorologist Smart app. And again, I'll have a special update this evening to give you the latest on the storm threat for Wednesday.